Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode in the Alchemist install series. Although this one's not really part of installation, this one's more of a great idea, something I've come across that I'd like to share with you and see if you can make use of it as well. So here we go. Okay, so on the last episode I did the brake pedal brass series installation. That's got a nail out and that matches the foot pegs, but also another brass collection part I had on my bike is the fuel tank cap. Now, as good as that is, I always thought that this was a little bit plain in the centre, and I was very close to getting the engraver out, and I'm going to do like a bit of engraving on there just to smarten up and bring a little bit more detail in the centre of the cap. But for, well, in the UK, £120, I don't know what that is in dollars, it's an expensive cap, and make a mistake with your engraving, you're back to square one. So I did a little bit of searching around to see if there's anything I could find to go in the centre. And what I came across is challenge coins. There we go. So this one I managed to pick up in the UK, quite fortunate. Two sides to it there. But the one I wanted, which has just turned up today, parcel from the States, the Willie G with chain. Also on the other side, or on the flip side I should say, Harley Davidson motorcycles. Really nice weighted coin. This is really good quality. This was from Wisconsin, Harley Davidson. So thanks to you guys, I received that today. Now you're thinking, hang on a minute, brass fuel cap, challenge coins, it's all coming together now. So let's try this. And obviously with my bike having a copper accents on it, I thought at first that this one would be the one to go with. She's slightly smaller in the centre than the other one. We've got some bad light in there. I can't wait to get that new garage. Flickering LED lights. Okay, so that really does open up the centre, but it's slightly off colour in my opinion. It stands too proud in the centre of the cap. So let's go for the Willie G one. Get some light on there. Beautiful. Okay, so all we're going to do now is just put a couple of drops of super glue to hold that down. Job done. So there you go. How to turn an otherwise dull fuel cap. Now I think there's more in the Harley Davidson range. Your standard cap is obviously it's flat and there's no ridge in the centre. I think there's plenty out there that do have this little insert there, so if you're looking for something similar, there you go, as easy as that. Glue that in position. Straight away you have got one of the best fuel tank caps for your Sporty or any Harley Davidson you will ever see. Brilliant. So thanks for watching folks. Really do have to get this light sorted out. New garage coming soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers.